What is Gemini and how vibe coding works? Welcome back. In this video, let's understand Gemini and how it helps with vibe coding. Gemini is a smart AI assistant. You talk to Gemini in normal English, just like talking to a friend. You don't need to know deluge. You don't need to know coding. You simply explain your business need. Gemini understands your idea, breaks it into steps, and helps generate the deluge logic. So Gemini acts like a bridge. Your business idea on one side, Zoho automation on the other side. This is what makes vibe coding possible for everyone. Now let's see this in action in the next video. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.